400,000 Georgians could lose their homes as protections run out. Today, a federal judge struck down the national eviction moratorium. The judge says the CDC doesn't have authority to ban evictions during the pandemic. Jennifer Bellamy joins us. Jennifer, housing advocates in Metro Atlanta say this moratorium is crucial during the pandemic.
That's right, Cheryl. There have been several changes to the CDC's eviction ban. In the past, some courts have said the agency has the authority to issue the order and rejected efforts to stop the ban, but other courts have ruled in favor of landlords. The CDC says its authority comes from the Public Health Service Act, a nearly 80-year-old federal law that gives the federal government tools to stop the spread of communicable diseases. But legal experts say the Public Service Act isn't clear on measures like the eviction moratorium. Housing advocates say the national ban is necessary, saying if millions of Americans are displaced, the pandemic could get worse. Researchers have found that allowing evictions to continue in certain states caused more than 400,000 cases of COVID-19 and at least 10,000 additional deaths in the U.S. between March and September of 2020. That's before the CDC ban went into effect nationwide. NBC News says since the start of the pandemic, some 1 in 5 renters across the country have fallen behind on payments. States are now scrambling to hand out more than $45 billion in rental assistance allocated by Congress. And Cheryl, as far as the ban on moratoriums goes, the judge emphasized that while Congress had ratified earlier extensions of the order, it had not done so for the latest extension. It expires June 30th.
All right, Jennifer, thanks a lot. The Department of Justice has filed an appeal on this ruling. White House spokesperson Jen Psaki says national moratoriums has had a huge benefit with 1.5 million fewer evictions filed over the last year. So if you are in need of rental assistance, there are resources available to help.